Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now tell me, I have two long ears and two cute teeth. I love eating carrots. My name rhymes with funny. Who am I? Today we are going to draw Bunny the rabbit. We will start in the middle of the page from the top. Make a circle for the face. Start from the top of the eye and complete the oval. Do the same. Right below both the eyes, make a small nose. In the left eye, make a small pupil. Do the same in the right eye. At the top of the corner, you make a highlight. Draw mouth with line and curve. So start from the top of the head, curve and turn backwards. Superb! You have completed one ear. Go ahead and draw the second ear. The body is going to be a big curve. Right from here, turn. See the curve carefully. Draw a line, connect it with a curve for leg and draw a cute tail. For hand, draw a line up and connect the line to the leg. Yum yum, let's make a carrot. Draw a big line to the top, curve from the face and straight down, draw the carrot. Draw an angle line and curve slightly. Start from down again and do the same. Do it one more time. The bunny needs one more hand. Go ahead and draw a small line between the carrot and face. Excellent! You have completed the carrot. Draw small lines for details on the carrot. Here you have completed the bunny. Draw a simple line for the ground. Make a curve up and come down. Follow it till the carrot for the grass. Start from the body, change the angle, curve up and down. Do few more times for the half grass. That's great. Now for flowers, draw two lines, 1 and 2. Do it for few more times. Very good. Now you will have to draw big circles. Yes. Do the circle again. Draw small circles to complete the flowers. A big circle and a small circle. Wow! Make simple lines on the ground. Make few more. And here you are going to complete the entire picture. Enjoy the borderline with sketch pen. Color the eye and make a long curved line in the right ear. Good job. Go ahead and color it. Take a orange color and color the carrot. While coloring the picture, always color it in one direction. Don't go out of the black outline. Take light green and color the leaves. Very good. Bunny is going to be very happy. Take grey color and color the bunny. Your picture will look good if you color it neatly. That's great. Keep the coloring in one direction. Excellent. Now take pink and color in the ear. Red and orange for the flowers. This way you are completing your picture. That's great. Take light green and color the stems. Light blue for the sky and light green for the ground. Color the nose with dark grey and eyebrows with black. Amazing! You completed your picture. Seeing your interest, you made my day. Thank you for watching. For more videos, like, share and subscribe.